Next, we'll do the windows. So again, right click on the schedule quantities, select new, scroll down to windows. The fields for the windows, we've got type mark, level, width, height, description, count, and comments, and they are now organized correctly. We then press OK, and there's our window schedule. So we'll go back into our schedule properties. So there's nothing here that we want to filter out, which is great. Next, we go to the sorting and grouping. So again, we want to sort it by level. We want our headers to be displayed. Next, we want it to be sorted by the width. We want our grand total to be displayed, and we don't want every instance to be itemized, and then press OK. We'll then go to the formatting. We're going to hide the level. We can change the type mark to window type. Then we can adjust its appearance. So again, I'll change that to window schedule in caps. Add some shading, a thicker border. As well, change the border here to the medium lines inside and out. And as well for B, C, D, E, and F, I'm going to change the alignment to more centered. And we're going to add in a description. So these windows will be a UPVC triple pane. It's a UPVC triple pane.